Hey everyone, welcome to my first episode of this devlog. I've never done a devlog before, but I'm super excited to finally share this project. It's something I've been working on for a while, and I just want to get it out there and see what you guys think. So, if you're into game development, Unreal Engine, or just want to follow along with the project as it grows, I'd love for you to stick around. I'm also really hoping to reach more people who might vibe with what I'm building. So if you enjoy this or know someone who might, feel free to share this and drop a comment and just let me know. But essentially, what this game is about is it's basically a kind of like drop in exploration horror game where you have to go into portals. These portals bring you to randomly generated, um, but still, like some parts are actually handcrafted, but some parts are randomly generated into like dark mazes, and you have to find keys. And if you find all the keys, you can open the main door, and then you maybe win the game, or there's something behind there. I'm not going to spoil that, but the idea is that you can do this alone or with four other people, and you just need to go into these twisted worlds, find keys, and bring the keys back. And then once you've done that, which can be done pretty fast, you can proceed. But the cool thing is these worlds will be populated with very scary creatures and very horror-esque situations. And think about very dark caves and manors and all that stuff, but also fun moments where stuff can just happen, traps, all that kind of stuff, noises, and just overall fun times. Definitely this game is reminiscent of games like Lethal Company and Repo, uh, because it's very inspired by those games, because I just really enjoyed playing those games and I just really wanted to make something like it. But I've been thinking about making this for a while, and now I basically have this shell of a working multiplayer replicated game that I've been working on for a while, and I just wanted to throw it out there and see what you guys think. So I really hope that you guys like this, and I also got an Instagram and a Reddit trying to get that going. So if you guys want to check that out, that'd be cool too. Debating on setting up a Discord for this. I just want to get all you guys engaged so that we can make something cool together, and that I can also maybe learn you guys some stuff about replication and about how making a game works and all that stuff. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this, and let me know in the comments. So I'm excited to continue on this journey, and we'll see where it goes. Thanks, guys. Cheers.